Hello friends. Today I'll show you exactly how to transpose your data in seconds, even if you're just getting started with Excel. Transposing data simply means flipping your rows into columns, or columns into rows. This is useful when your dataset is easier to read or analyze in a different orientation. Okay, let's get started. Let's say this is your original data. After transposing, it looks like this. Here's how to transpose data step by step using the paste special method. Select the range you want to transpose. In our example, that's cells A1 to C3. Right-click and select Copy. Or press Ctrl+C. Now, click on a blank cell where you want your transposed data to appear. Always make sure you don't overlap your original data. Right-click. Choose Paste Special. Then check the box that says Transpose. And click OK. Want your data to stay linked and automatically update when the original data changes? Use the Transpose function. Click a blank cell where you want your transposed data to start, for example, A5. In the formula bar, type =transpose. Now select the range and close the formula. Finally, press Enter. Now, if the original data changes, your transpose table will update automatically. If this tip saved you time, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more simple, powerful Excel tricks. Thanks for watching and keep learning the easy way.